Let's go to Liquor 2125, number of laser beans in a bank. So it gives us string array bank. For each element string, it is a binary string. And one represent laser. Um, so for example one, right? So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So there are three lasers in first line. In the second line, there is no laser. The third line, there are two. In the third line, there is one. So it says that um, for row I R1 and R2, if between, right, there is no laser, then we can have laser beam for these two rows. For example, what this one mean is that, well, see, this is empty, right? So this row, there is no lasers. So we have zero, row 0 to row 2, we have uh, six, six beans, right? So that is 3 multiplied by 2. So the things that we can add those kind of beans together to our total result. So it will have 8 beans, right? Because this one has 6 and this one has 2, right? So we just iterate row by row. We need a previous counts, right? Previous counts. But the thing is that if current counts equals to 0, we should not just skip this row, right? Then that will be fine. So that we are always have those kind of rows, edges which have lasers in it, right? So if there is no laser, we just skip it, and we calculate for this row and this row how many beans we add to our result, and then this row to this row how many beans we add to our result, right? So let's write code for this. Uh, we can write a help function private int get lasers, just a string. Let's write. So int result equal to 0 for char say in s to char array. So our result just plus equal to c minus 0, right? So because 0, we just get the count how many lasers, right? Just return result. So we're going to have int n equals to bank dot length and result equals to 0. We have a pre equals bank uh, get lasers bank 0, right? So then what we do is for int I equals 1, I smaller than I plus plus. So I'll get int current row, how many laser in it will be get get lasers bank, right? So if current row, as we state, if this current row has counts to be 0, right? We just continue this row. And in the next row, we'll calculate this current again, right? So our result, if not 0, just pass equal to pre multiplied by current, and we'll have current set as pre set as current, right? And then in the end, just return result. So if we have n string and each string have L length, it will be ONL, right? And space will be constant. Let's also write a Python code for this. We define get lasers as passing a string, return a integer, so return some int c for c in SL. Um, then result 3 equals the length of bank, and the result is set as 0. We could get lasers bank there. And for I in range from 1 to n, current equals get lasers bank I. So if current equals 0, we continue. Otherwise, we have a result to the classical current multiplied by pre, and then set pre plus current. In the end, just return result.